Welcome back. So in this lesson, we're going to pick up right where we left off, and we're going to see how do we chain together simpler Boolean statements like the ones we just saw into more complicated statements that have multiple components. So they're still all going to evaluate to be true or false at the end of the day, but there might be multiple pieces that individually evaluate to be true or false before the entire thing becomes true or false. So there are three logical operators. And like we said, this is basically a way to chain together Boolean logic. So those three are called and, or, and not. So we're going to start by talking about and. And the way that and works, first of all, you write it with two ampersands. And you can see right here, we're using it in an example where x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 9. So and takes two sides. There is a left side and a right side, and goes in the middle. So the way you would read this is x less than 10 and x not equal to 5. So we'll evaluate both sides. X is less than 10. That is true. 5 is less than 10. X is not equal to 5, and that is false. So we end up with true and false. And the way that and works is that it requires both sides to be true. It requires both of them to be true, left and right. And that's not true in this case. Only the left side is true, so the entire thing is false. The way that or works is slightly different. It still takes both sides, but it only requires that one of them be true, left or right be true, in order for the whole thing to be true. Just a side note, the character here, the pipe character, is located above most people's enter or return key, and you usually need to hit shift.